Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor. Today we will discuss the ICT and governance topic. It's the last topic of ICT section for UGC NET and JRF paper 1. Now we left with the paper 1 only higher education, and other parts are comprehension, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning and data interpretation. These four topics, that is comprehension, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, you should practice yourself because the comprehension you should practice with your Hindu newspaper or other English newspaper or other English articles. You can follow it. So just otherwise last year question paper and 10 years before question paper, it will help you to practice the comprehension part, and even in mathematical reasoning and aptitude also, and logical reasoning and data interpretation also. Otherwise you will get you should buy a book for paper 1. There so many questions are there. That's also last year and last 10 year question papers. It's available. You can download it from internet also. So anyway, you should practice that section. Okay, then only you can easily you can solve the question in the exam day. Okay, so in theory part we left with higher education only. In higher education topics, I already discussed about the IGNO Assistant Registrar exams. Anyway, I will cover that higher education for UGC paper 1 also according to UGC syllabus. And this is the ICT and governance is the last part of ICT chapter. Okay, so next video onwards, I will start IGNO Assistant Registrar interview preparation also, because the result already out. All of you अभी तक पता चल गया होगा सब लोगों को result. So hope that is the best result for your IGNO Assistant Registrar examination. Anyway, today we will start ICT and governance, and other topics we will see in, from next video onwards. Okay, and the E in e-governance stands for electronic. Okay, so e-governance is basically associated with carrying out the functions and achieving the result of governance through the utilization of ICT, information and communication technology, that is ICT. Okay, now you are familiar with the word ICT, information communication technology, because in our video also, and nowadays all of you are using the ICT abbreviation for information and communication technology. In this century, where almost everything has been made electronic, like e-commerce, e-services, e-learning, etc. The Indian government is also trying to go with the wave and wants to govern through ICT. E-governance needs the help of ICT service to achieve their objective anytime and anywhere. It eliminates the need of physical travel by citizens to various government offices in order to get their work done. This is from last year onwards, this is more benefit for our society, because the COVID-19 pandemic affected in our country also and all over the world. So the importance of ICT more benefit for the society in this pandemic time. Okay, and even in the classes or all college classes, all school classes and other education institutions are using the technology of ICT, and they are conducting even in the virtual tours are also they are conducting for the students in the college level. So that is the time. So in the government also using the ICT system for the movement of their files speedy, right? The major objective of e-governance is to support and simplify the governance for all government agents, citizens and business. E-governance also means e-democracy, where all forms of communication between the electorate and the electoral happen electronically or digitally. India is a country of villages, and for overall prosperity, growth and sustainable development, ICT and governance play a key role, not only in terms of e-governance models to demonstrate the key changes we see in the services for health care, education, banking, mobility, agriculture and other allied fields, but also to keep country on the path of development in emerging competition on various fronts from other countries. So we will see some journeys. In 1970, they started Department of Electronics, and in 1977, National Informatics Center (NIC) started, and 1980, use of computers began in 1980s. Right. In 1987, launch of NICE Net and DISNIC. Okay, and in 1998, National Task Force on Information Technology and Software Development started. In 1999, Union Ministry of Information Technology आ गया, and in 2000 to 2005 12-point e-governance launched by central and state government with the focus on G2C, G2B, G2G initiatives. Okay, that is government to computer and government to government and government to the society. They are like that the initiatives started, and National E-Government Plan (NEGP) also started in 2006-11 period. In 2012-17, the current e-government and digital India started to grow up. Okay, so this is a chart for ICT enabled connected governance contributes to. Okay, it's internally and externally they are contributing. In internally, avoidance of duplication, reducing transaction cost, simplifying bureaucratic procedure, greater efficiency, greater coordination and communication, enhanced transparency, information sharing between agencies, security of information management. That all are the contributions in internally. And externally, it's a faster service delivery, greater efficiency, and increase flexibility of service and use service use, and innovation in service delivery, greater participation and greater citizen empowerment and citizen participation. So government to citizen and government to government initiatives are all in the part of ICT. And the term e-governance focus on the use of new ICT by governments as applied to the full range of government functions. Thus, e-governance is the application of information and communication technology for delivering government services, exchange of information, communication, transaction, integration, various stands alone system and service between government and citizen, government and business, as well as back office process and interaction within the entire government framework. In ICT act as a speeding up the flow of information and knowledge between government and citizen, and transferring the way in which government and citizen interact. We already saw the type of government interaction in e-governments. G2G, it means government to government. G2C means government to citizen, and G2B is government to business, and G2E for government to employees. And some important initiatives in the field of e-government we will see. In G2G section, government to government, aimed at efficient file routing, quick search and retrieval of files and office orders, digital signature for authentication, forms and reporting components, etc. E-office project of central government for file movement across the department. In G2C, the government to citizen, the goal of government to customer, G2C, goal of government to customer, that is citizen. Okay, e-governance is to offer a variety of ICT services to citizen in an efficient and economical manner, and to strengthen the relationship between government and citizen using technology. The CSC scheme to deliver various services to citizen of India, and Bharat Bill Pay, one-stop bill payment system, and Passport Seva Kendra, PAN, that is NSDL and UTI services, and e-district, various certificates, licenses, social welfare scheme, RTI, land registration, etc. are under the technological impact, and EPIC, Electronic Commission Service, and IRCTC. All of you are aware of IRCTC services. Now you can book your ticket in digitally, right? And E-Panchayat, E-Court Mission Mode Project, MMP, NTA, National Testing Agency. You are applying your exams and you are assessing your result through NTA website, and nowadays online exams are there even in UGC also in the IGNO assistant researcher, and your other exams also they are conducting NTA, that is the agency, National Testing Agency, and National Agricultural Market, ENAM, and many more are there in the many fields, even in agriculture, education, and the social services like that. Okay, and G2B, that is government to business, refers to the conducting through the internet between government agencies and business companies. That is MCA, all business related needs and requirements for company. And e-tender is there, and GST is there, and e-biz mission mode project, e-gem, government e-marketplaces are there nowadays, and government online procurement portal is there. Okay, so e-governance helping the business field also. And G2E is government to employee. Government to employee solution is about empowering their own employees to assist citizens in the fastest and most appropriate way, speed up administrative process, and optimize governmental solution. And Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Protsahan Yojana, and the EPS model, EPFO, and Provident Funds are the benefit for the employees in the ICT sector. And what are the benefit in it? Okay, increase the accountability, increases transparency, higher availability of public domain information, reduces corruption, and higher penetration due to automation, increases efficiency due to connectivity. These are the some benefit around it. Okay, and National E-Governance Plan, NEGP, make all government services accessible to common man in his locality through common service delivery outlet, and ensure efficiency, transparency, and reliability of such a services at affordable cost to realize the basic needs of the common man. And initiative under NEGP, statewide area network, connect all states, state data center host government apps, and common service centers, internet enabled centers at district level, electronic forms through state portal. It download forms and submit applications through electronic form through state portal. And capacity building, implementation from city to village. And e-district, provide district administration services by web services like right to information, social welfare, ration card, birth and death certificate, etc. And citizen engagement, deep awareness of project, deliver all government services in electronic mode so as to make government process transparent, citizen centric, efficient, and easy accessible. Okay, and create shareable resource for all government entities to deliver both information and transaction of government services over mobile phone. Nowadays COVID app is the Arogya Setu app for COVID. Even in the vaccination registration it's available through mobile. Okay, so mobile apps related to government services, and build a shared service platform to accelerated e-government project implementations. And even in national savings scheme also it's accessible, like bank apps are there, SBI, and other postal apps are there if care for citizens. To strengthen and improve existing project through innovation and infusion of advanced technology, to promote ethical use of technology and data and create safe and secure cyber world, to create ecosystem that promotes innovation in ICT for governance and for application that can benefit the citizen, to better target welfare scheme of central and state government. And also it increase all round awareness and create mechanism that promotes and encourage citizen engagement, to make available as much data as possible in public domain for productive use by citizens. Okay, and Digital India, So it is Digital India is very famous, and all of you know what is Digital India. And the Digital India program is a flagship program of the government of India with vision to transform India to digitally empower society and knowledge economy. The focus is on being transformative to realize IT plus IT is equal to IT. That is a focus. Okay, the focus is on making technology central to enable change. It is an umbrella program covering many departments. Okay, and it weaves together a large number of ideas and thoughts into single comprehensive vision so that each of them is seen as part of a large goal. Each individual element stands on its own but is also part of the larger picture. It is coordinated by that why implemented by the entire government. The weaving together makes makes the mission transformative in totality. And the programs under the pull together many existing schemes. These schemes will be restructured and refocused. They will be implemented in a synchronized manner. Many elements are only process improvement with the minimal cost. The common branding of program as a Digital India highlights their transformative impact. Okay, and there is 9 pillars in Digital India, that is broadband highway to support broadband for all rural, broadband for all urban, and national information infrastructure by dot and dot y, because nowadays in museums and other common public places, even in railway stations, you are getting Wi-Fi, right? So broadband connections are become public, and universal access to mobile connectivity for providing coverage to uncoveraged villages with mobile connectivity, and public internet access program. This has two important subcomponents. One is CSC, that is aimed to cover each gram panchayat to provide a delivery of e-services to the citizen, and post office to be converted to multi-service centers. Okay, these are the 9 pillars of Digital India. You can access easily with the image. One is broadband highways, public internet, information, and early harvest program is there. Universal access to phone, and IT for jobs, electronic delivery of services, and e-Kranti, that is electronic delivery of services. That's also e-governance is reforming government through technology, and electronic manufacturing target net zero import. This is 9 pillars of Digital India mainly. Okay, you can expect question from this side, so please go through thoroughly. Okay, if any doubts, you can put it in comment box. And next is e-governance, reforming government through technology, and online application and tracking system is there. Online applications and tracking of their status should be provided. Online repositories, that is use of online repositories, example for certificates, educational degrees, identity documents, etc. should be mandated so that citizens are not required to submit these documents in physical form. And next is integration of service and platform. Integration of services and a platform, example Aadhaar platform of Unique Identity Authority of India, UIDAI. All of you have Aadhaar card. All of you know how you getting the Aadhaar card. Okay, payment gateways are there, and mobile seva platforms are there, and sharing of data through open application programming interface API, and middleware such as National and State Service Delivery Gateway NSDG and SSDG should be mandated to facilitate integrated and interoperable service delivery to citizen and business. And next is e-Kranti, that is electronic delivery of service. There are 44 mission mode project under e-Kranti program. These mission mode project are grouped to central, state and integrated project. You can read more details here. Okay, and information for all, that is open data platform, social media engagement and online messaging. and that is all of you aware about. You have Facebook, you have WhatsApp, and you have Twitter, LinkedIn. Everything is under this platform. And electronic manufacturing, promoting electronic manufacturing in the country with the target of net zero import by 2020. And IT for jobs. This pillar focuses on providing training to the youth in the skill required for availing employment opportunities in the IT and ITES sectors. And early harvest program, it's basically consists of those projects which are to be implemented with a short timeline, such as biometric attendance, Wi-Fi public place, secure email, and SMS based alert. Okay, these are under the main digital initiative in the government sectors. And important key point to remember, that is the National E-Government Plan has been formulated by the Department of Electronics and Information Technology, okay, DEITY, and Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, DARPG, in 2006. Okay, please remember these points. Okay, only I discussed main points only, so one by one you just go through it, and very important, note down also when you're hearing the lecture. Okay, and this is about our ICT, Information Communication Technology. Hope I covered all the syllabuses and only left with the higher education and other four comprehension, mathematical reasoning, logical reasoning, data interpretation. You should practice well with your last 10-year question papers. And it is about our first paper. Okay, I will cover higher education also in between. And now country is going to unlock period, and your exam also maybe on next month. It will notify soon. Okay, so be tuned with that and be in touch with the UGC site also in NTA site also. Okay, so we will see with tomorrow. And if you like our video, please like it and also do the subscription and also share with others for the more knowledge. Okay, thank you.